job is to make a kick. It's a free throw, my nigga, a free throw. One kick. I knew this was gonna happen if it came down to his hands. Unreal. Hey, my bad for that little outburst, y'all. I'm still kind of like disgusted how Cody Parkey missed that field goal when all he gets paid to do is kick a ball. In practice, what does he do? He kicks a ball. Is he in the tackling drills? Probably not. Is he in the receiving drills, the offensive drills? Probably not. So I don't understand how you have one job and you can't do this. I mean, I guess on a brighter note, his aim is impeccable at aiming at stuff, at small things in wide spaces. Maybe he needs to be doing archery or something. I don't know, man. Throwing darts. Maybe he'll be good at throwing darts. But kicking, it's not your thing, homie. But anyway, I went to go play basketball yesterday for the first time in over a year. I'm trying to get my body right, in basketball shape for this league that I'm about to be in starting this Sunday. It's a men's league on Sundays out by my house. So I decided a thought came to my mind from back when I was in high school in my basketball days. So I wanted to give y'all this story while I'm on my ride to work. Please forgive the noise in the background. It's raining like crazy. And I hope that y'all can hear everything that I'm saying. Damn, perfect. But the story goes like this. Now, if anybody's from Chicago, y'all know that Chicago is heavy on that gang shit. Like real heavy. And it was even heavier back when I was in high school, which was like from 95 to 1999. That gang stuff was real heavy. Like way worse than it is now. To me, it's just a bunch of fools running around here just doing whatever now. It ain't even just about gangs. People just on that goofy shit. Anyway, this story is about how basketball saved my life. Now, it goes like this. So we had a game. Well, back up. I used to live on the northwest side of Chicago. Anybody from Chicago, that is up there by the Brown line on Kimball and Montrose. Anybody from the northwest side, y'all know what that is, Kimball and Montrose. I used to play high school ball up there at a school called Roosevelt. And I'm a legend up there. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm a northwest side Chicago basketball legend. I did my thing up there. When you put in work, people don't forget what you did. All right, now that that's out the way, this is how basketball saved my life. Throughout the summers, I used to go up to a park up there called Horner Park. It was a nice walk from my house, maybe a good 25-minute walk from the house. Or if you ran, which I did most of the time, I would run from my house to the park. It was a good, maybe like 10 minutes if I jogged at a decent pace. So I used to go up there summer after summer after summer, honing my skills and building up a reputation for myself as a killer on the court. So this is going to help y'all understand what I'm getting at once I get to the end of the story. So now that that's out the way, that's why I used to hone my skills at that park, Horner Park. Now, we played this school named Amerson. Amerson was known, real known for that gangbang shit, and everybody hated Roosevelt because we had gang on top of gang on top of gang in our school, and everybody hated our school. So we had to play Armisen for one of our conference games. Now we take the bus up there. It don't be no problem getting in that school. The problem is when it's time to go. When it's time to go, getting out of that school is hard because they will get on that shit every time. Whether it be throwing bricks and bottles or whatnot at our bus, trying to fight us, jump up on the bus and fight us, it used to go down. Now, this one particular time, we ended up playing them. I'm not sure if it was their homecoming or not, but we ended up at their school. So, the game going on, I'm doing my thing, busting their ass. I think I gave them about 25, 30 points, something like that. I'm talking shit. I'm dunking on them. I'm doing all this other crazy stuff throughout the game. Not thinking, oh shit, maybe I'm egging these dudes on to get at us after the game. Now, as the game go on, I believe we ended up, if I'm not mistaken, we usually whoop their ass. I think we beat them. As the game go on, I'm still out there woofing. Nah, I ain't talking about ways. I'm talking about talking shit. That's another term of woofing. That's Chicago slang or whatever. Maybe it ain't a Chicago slang, but that's what we used to say when somebody used to just be talking crazy. Out there woofing. All right, so I was out there woofing, giving people mad work. Like work. Got the people and they cry and they gym cheering for me, giving them work. So after our game was over, a few of my guys was like, dude, we got the car. Let's not wait for the bus. Let's go. Now, something in me was saying, no, man, let's just wait for the bus, leave with the coach. Something was in me was saying that. Now, if you having thoughts inside that's telling you to do something else, but somebody else trying to talk you into doing another thing, go with your gut. Because I promise you, your gut feeling is happening for a reason. Excuse me. So, they said, let's go. It's me and my three guys. I believe it was Omar, Adam, Ehab. I think that was just us three. Yeah, us four. Me, Omar, Adam, and Ehab. Rest in peace, Ehab. He ended up getting caught up in a situation about a few years after we graduated, and ended up getting caught up in the alley and getting rolled on, and he got lit up in the alley. I'm gonna just put it like that. Homie got lit up, and rest in peace to him. And that was a messed up situation. So anyway, I'm like, all right, man, let's go. I ain't want to seem like no little punk, so I was like, let's go, man, we can go. So after our game, get dressed, told the coach we heading out because Armisen wasn't that far from our school. So my boy parked on a residential street across the street from the high school. Now, mind you, we didn't walk that far from the school to his car. So as we walk into the car, some niggas pulled up, blocked his car in on the street. Now, back up. To get to his car, we had to cross a main street, a big street. So a car came up on the main street, blocked us off from getting off that residential street. Another car pulled up right next to his car as we were trying to get in, and then another car boxed us in the alley, so we couldn't get out. We could not get out at all. So I don't know what we was thinking, but we like, Ehab, open the door. This nigga fumbling around with the keys. He like on some shaky shit. So I'm like, Ehab, open the door. Now, like I said, it wouldn't have mattered how we got in anyway, because the guys had guns on them. So we would have just been all in the car, getting our ass lit up, basically. So it was like a lose-lose. We was caught up, man. We was caught up. And the guys jumped out the car, And they like, what's up? They like, what's up? And we just looking. We ain't gonna even lie, we ain't gonna even be on no tough shit. We was shook. I remember this like it was yesterday. We was shook, man. Because, like I said, our life could have ended right there. Had them guys just jumped out the car and started blasting on us. It could have ended right there on some dumb shit, because none of us was in gangs. We had friends that was affiliated in gangs, and we had family members that are affiliated. Well, let me stop lying. I'm not sure. One of my guys may have been in a gang, but I don't know. He was known for false flagging and all that other shit. False flagging is claiming something that you ain't. That's false flagging. So he could have been false flagging. Man, that's a tongue twister. He could have been false flagging, but who knows? So I'm not sure how those guys saw us, or if they were even in the gym when we was playing and plotting on us. I'm not even sure if that's how it went, but they had us boxed in on the street. So luckily, God is real, man. Luckily, one of the dudes who came out the alley recognized me. He recognized me. Now, I don't know this guy. I did not know this guy. I put that on my kids, that I did not know this dude coming out the alley that was with the guys that was trying to get at us. He walked up on me. He was like, he looked at me. He was like, hey, he good. He was like, homie, good. I play ball with him at the park. And the only park that I can think of that I probably hooped with him was at Horner Park, where I used to practice all the time. That was the only place that I know that I could have known this guy, was at Horner Park. And he shook up with me, like, we ain't no gangbanging shit, no gangbanging handshake. He shook up with me. He was like, what's up, homie? I'm like, not much, man. I was like, yeah, we just left the game up at Armisen. We finna get up out of here. And he was like, all right, man, y'all, he was like, be easy, or whatever he said. I don't know word for word, but he was like, basically like, all right, they good, let them go. So, to say all that, that's how basketball saved my life. You never know who you're going to run into later on in life, so be careful how you treat folks, because had I been an ass or whatever at that park that I was at, being all big cocky and shit like I was against Amundsen, maybe it was one of them days I was chill and wasn't talking shit while I was hooping. You never know. So be careful who you talk big shit to, because you might run into that person and they not gonna forget. Like I said, I don't remember dude that had to be God sending me an angel, because I do not remember dude. It was a Mexican cat. Like up north is Mexicans, Puerto Ricans, Dominicans, all those. It's a large melting pot on the north side of Chicago. So, man, just be careful who you do wrong, or how you treat folks when you around people, man. Just be careful, because that shit will come back on you, whether it be good or bad. So I hope y'all enjoy this story. Hopefully I didn't bore you. And I got plenty more stories like this. Also, like I told you, I'm a Northside legend. If y'all want to know more about my basketball career, comment down at the bottom. I got way more. I got records and accolades out the ass for basketball, man. Not only in high school, but in college too. So if y'all want to know more about that, comment below and just say we want more. We want more. Just type in more, and then I could give y'all more content about my basketball life, and hopefully y'all like those videos. Leave a comment, like the video. You can subscribe if you want to. I'm almost at 1,000 subs. I've been stuck on 953 for a minute, so maybe this video will push me over the edge and bring me a bigger base, a fan base. Not such a fan base, but a viewer base, because I don't like the word fan. Viewer base, because I got a lot of knowledge and I got nice content. So you're gonna check out my other videos, and I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all be good out there, and just watch how y'all treat people, man. Watch how you treat people. All right, y'all have a good one. Swole Waver out. Swole's Wave on YouTube, whether you like it or not, nigga.